people sign contracts that they don't fully understand. Job offers, rental agreements, freelance contracts. And hiring a lawyer to review every document isn't realistic for most people. So risky clause, hidden competes, unlimited liability, and auto renewal traps may get missed. And by the time they matter, it is too late. So this isn't a single question problem, but a multi-step reasoning task. You need to read the document, explain it in English, hunt for specific risk patterns, and then advise on what to do about it. That's exactly what a coordinated team of specialized agent is good at. Each one is focused, each one is doing its part, working together instead of one single model trying to do everything at once. So, this is the architecture of LexAI. LexAI is built as a multi agent system using Google's Agent Development Kit. An orchestrator agent sits at the center. It receives the document, calls the custom MCP server to parse the PDF and extract the clauses. It then delegates to four specialized sub-agents, a document analyzer that rewrites the legal language in plain English, a risk flagging agent that scans for dangerous clause patterns and rates the severity, a questioning answering agent that answers follow-up questions grounded in the actual document text, and a negotiation agent that suggests exact alternative wording you can propose back. So a security was built in from the start. An API key gating on every tool call, a path traversal protection, and no logging of document content. So let me walk you through the project. So I upload a contract, and within seconds, LexAI will give me an overall risk score. So this is the working demo. I upload a contract, and within seconds, LexAI gave me the overall risk score. LexAI gives me the one critical risk that is based on the clauses that were reviewed. This gives me the plain English summary of the points. Moving on to the risk flag. The risk flag points out to the points which has risks, and it tells why is it risky and shows how severe the risks are. So when visiting a lawyer, the risk questions that you have can also be questioned back to the lawyer so that you can take precautionary measures. And then we have the question and answering agent where I can ask, who owns my work? So once the question is asked, the agent gives you the response, and then finally we have the negotiate. What does negotiate actually do? So the risk flags that we have here can be negotiated. So each point which has a risk clause can be can be negotiated with a better point. So when I click on get negotiation tips for these risks, the model or the agent generates the negotiated points for me. So for every risk flag that were pointed or identified, it generates a negotiated statement or an alternative statement. And once all these are done, you can download the report by clicking on the download report. So this gives me the complete risk and the complete details about the documents and the risk flags in it. Thank you.